So we're doing this Model 16 keyboard. We're doing a pretty good job. Essentially what had to happen was all these foam pads here had to come out, and they left behind a residue in each of the keys that we now have to clean out. And then the new foam pads will be here later today, and we will put those new pads in along with these Mylar discs I've made. They do contact the keys pretty well. We'll do 5 test keys and see how they work, but anyway, so cleaning these keys is the least fun part of this whole thing, and here's how it's done. Take this and dip it into our rubbing alcohol, and then we find a key, and we get the gunk out of the major gunk out of 2 or 3 of them. And then we take the other side and we dip it into our rubbing alcohol, and we go back over the same keys again so that we can clean them out. And then if there's any additional residue left over, I can hit them with a dry one right at the end. But those 3 looks like they came out pretty good, except for that one little spot right there. All right, well, but anyway, have to do that for 76 keys. And then dry it out, new foam pads, good times.